Hey guys, so oh my god, okay, that hey, welcome to a video and welcome to the voice reveal of the unfamous YouTuber called Klainer87. And this is my voice. This is how I sound like. This is what I've been holding back for 7 months, I think. And I hope you like it, because it sounds like I'm 7 years old. But yes, let's do this. Woo! Alright, we're in, I guess. Yes. I don't know what to say, except thank you for 50 subs. Yeah, yes. Now let's find this guy and let's just find them. Him. Sorry. Now my keyboard, I am very good at English, is kinda loud. I don't know if you can hear it. I hope not. I hope not. I hope not. And I don't know what to say. Well, it's enjoy the video, I guess. Alright, so I guess it's upstairs. Is there anything? Oh, monkey paw. I hate it. But I guess we'll use it later. Oh, nice. I like that very much. Dude. Wow. Oh gosh, my entire life is just a scam. Well, anyways, I hope your life is very good, because it's really that's more like it. Let's just say it's in the kitchen or here or in the bathroom, but I hope it's in this small room because I like small rooms. I don't know why I am using this when I already showed my voice, but the game doesn't really like, I don't know, I'm not the best English pro. I'm just a normal average German guy, but I'm not Nazi, you know. Oh, water. need a EMF. Let's go. Alright. Let's get some more stuff, I guess. So, if you're a real potato watcher, it's Potato, and you probably know me because of her. So thank you, Potato. And maybe you already know how I sound like if you watched every video. And if not, hi, I guess. And I guess. I think I should. Oh. Oh, door. Well, duck. Ah, now. That's more like it. Gimme. Wow! Alright. My poor little cat. Wie this. I like this till 3 movie. Well, UV time is just 30 seconds, so maybe I don't know. Let in here. I think so. Bro, give me anything, please. I'm gonna have a sip. Kitchen. Bathroom. 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 It's bathroom. Shut up. Bathroom not. Kitchen. Kitchen not. Laundry room. Not. Where ghost? Here. Safe, safe. Give me ghost room, please. Here. Safe, safe. Tack. Oh, UV. Where is my photo can? Yay. Finally evidence. I'm so happy. Oh, ghost room. This bathroom. Give me an answer. Please. Please. Come on. Come on, Jeffrey. You can do it. I don't think Jeffrey can do it. Oh, that's actually not good. Oh, that's good. Alright, nice. This is actually pretty nice. I guess here. Let's get some other stuff in that room. But now give me something like dots or writing. Crucifix, dots, salt, everything you need for Blair. Blair. Is it here now? Maybe. I think it's in here. That was nice that I placed a cross there, I guess. So, I don't think it's EMF 5. And I don't think I want to survive this round. Wow. I survived that. What? Oh, what? Bro. Orbs. I don't know. Oh crap, I'm dead. Handschuh. It's a Handschuh. Let's get some smudges. Sorry. Now we go upstairs and do something with this. Where do we? I know. Here, our hiding spots. That's not. I saw the cold breath, it should be a Handschuh. That's... I don't know what to do with this. Yeah. I wish for knowledge. And now we're dead. Rip. Man. This sucks. Shouldn't have done that, I think. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you don't hate my voice. And if you do, then sorry. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye.